Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got another video. In this video I will be showing you how we can go ahead and block someone on TikTok. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. So if you want to do so, first of all, what you gotta make sure, simply go ahead, update your app as well, and then you will go ahead, open your TikTok app. Once your app is open, what you gonna do is simply go ahead. For example, if you wanna block this particular user, what you're gonna do, simply go ahead, tap on the profile icon. Now you will be able to find this kind of interface, right? Go ahead, tap on this share icon given above, simply tap on that, and now you will be able to find this kind of menu will appear. Simply go ahead, tap on this block option, and this person will be blocked. But if you want to block someone from your inbox, for example, you have this person, right? So if you simply go ahead, long press on that person's profile, you will be able to find this late report and block option. You can tap on this block option and that person will be blocked. So yes guys, this is the options for you to block if you want to block somebody here in your TikTok. I hope this video was helpful, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will be seeing you guys in our next video.